Diamonds in the face crushed up, I can see it. Diamonds in the face crushed up, I can see it. Diamonds in the face crushed up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that good old subscribe button down below for your girl if you want to join the squad, and also turn your bells on so you will be notified. Now, I do apologize for the intro and outro on my video because of the simple fact that footage had got deleted. I don't know how. Like, everything else was good, and then I can't find those footages. Okay, it's just crazy. So yeah, y'all know the struggle. If you're a YouTuber, you know the struggle. So yeah, I just created a little something for the intro and outro. Did some little videos that I had out of my iPhone and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Also, give it a thumbs up if you do, and comment your thoughts down below, of course. And I will have all the products listed down below in the description box or on the screen. So that's pretty much it on the video. I'm just going to let you guys see what I do. I hope you guys learn something from this, get some new products and all of that good stuff. And I'll see you guys at the end. Okay, y'all, so this is pretty much what the eye look is going to be looking like. I'm going to add just a little bit to the edges to smoke it out some more because it needs to be smoked out a little bit more. But I just wanted to come on here and really talk to y'all about these lashes that I just received. Like, they are really stepping the game up with these companies, with these mink lashes, and sis, I'm gonna show y'all some bomb lashes. I can't decide out of these two that I want to use, and this company is called Mink Me Out, and these are the lashes. These lashes right here are called Please Me Baby. They're real fluffy and fluttery and all of that good stuff. And yeah, I think I might do this look because the eyes are kind of dramatic, so I might go with these. But these other ones that I was going to choose out of are called Rich, and this is what they look like. And they're very affordable, and they're bomb as hell. So if you guys want to purchase these, of course you can always scroll down to the description box down below, and yeah, I'll come back on when I finish my face. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.